Olympia, Kensington. And apparently there's another food fair going on at the same time, and I went in and I was like, there's a lot of food in this jewelry fair. Apparently the entrance is somewhere around here. Quite confusing. Like the jewelry fair, I think I'm gonna start with the toilets. I end up in every fair.
These are close to white on.
The fair is getting better and better.
So in a very strong category, they felt that Ida Graham should be highly commended. Of the winner, the judges said that this individual showed an innovative use of materials.
I have just had the best day at the jewelry fair. They're so educational, they're so inspiring. There's always like a bunch of pop-ups and drinks and new brands. And there's just a generally party, creative vibe. You know, people who want to make things happen, but at the same time they're having fun while these things are happening. That's totally my vibe. They're just so energizing. I made so many contacts, and just to know how things work. So sad to be leaving the jewelry fair. It was my favorite place in the world. Hey everybody, so I just had my hair cut. It looks amazing. I'm in Sloane Square and we're gonna go through a couple of boutiques because I'm never here and I want to make this happen. So let's see. Well, first I'm gonna put some money in because, you know, I had to take so much money out for the jewelry investment that I'm making, and now I have everything in an envelope in my bag, which is not a good idea. Here we are, if you want to see all the pretty people of West London. I'm dressed kind of like a Beverly Hills housewife as usual. It's my poster girl, alter ego of preference. So I think that's very appropriate in this area, not so much in East London. I have trouble in East London with my beautiful waist. Okay, I need a smoothie. Baby food. It's interesting because one thing I wanted to say, just like speak about the other day, is that I have realized that when I wear feminine stuff, and this might be because I feel better about myself, but I don't think so, I get treated so much better. I think that for a woman to be treated well, kind of the equivalent of a well-dressed man is a woman that's dressed in a feminine way. To be treated well, I'm not saying to be respected. I don't think there's anything you can wear as a woman that will get you respected. It's a concept that is still doesn't exist. We need to work on that. Look at my sushi hair though. We're coming here. Okay, so I didn't get anything at Wolford, but I did sell her something because she loved my dress. So I wrote her down my details. Trust me to go into a shop and be the one who sells the stuff. Jewelry, I'm so excited. It's a bit annoying that it's gonna take so long because I am designing from scratch, so I need to look for a production company, and there's like a 5-week turnover. So like I know exactly what I'm doing, but I need to define the details. Here is Rose Kiss. We are boarding. Oh, I'm so stressed out.